6 Laws to Win in Life. Stop telling people your plans. When you overshare, you hurt your own progress. Keep things private and win. Second one. Practice saying no more often. Third one. Make a decision, and commit to it. Too many people lack discipline and go back to their toxic patterns. Make a decision to change, and stick to it. Fourth one. There is power in numbers. Nobody has made it in life all by themselves. You need a team that uplifts and supports you. Stop being a lone wolf. Fifth one. Starve your distractions. Feed your focus. Focus on your goals instead of cheap dopamine. You will achieve anything you ever wanted. Sixth one. Always provide value to others. There is only one secret to success: making other people's lives easier. In business and relationships, providing value will keep you their first priority.